In this video we are talking about if Quant can continue this bullish momentum to the upside, or if we see a move to lower levels again. On the weekly time frame we consistently see higher lows all the way, and we made a higher high right here. And if we are looking on the whole chart, it looks quite bullish right now. And after we often found support right in this demand zone, we now broke out of this demand zone and also made a body close over the last weekly highs. So the chances high that we can continue in a bullish order flow. And in the last video we were at this prices right here. And I said the chances high if we are seeing the break of structure to the upside, that we then see even higher prices. I will show you now the clip from the last video. We see this high right here, which caused the move to the downside. And if we are breaking this high to the upside, then I think the chances high that we are seeing higher levels for Quant. And as you can see, we closed with a daily and weekly body over this high. So we saw this break of structure to the upside. So we shifted now on a daily time frame bullish. So now I would search for long positions. And as you can see, after we saw the clear break of structure to the upside, we then saw this bullish explosion. Then we saw this range right here. And then we continued bullish to the upside again. So congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on Quant. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Quant, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And as you can see, after we broke this high to the upside, we also saw this massive wick, which is a really bearish sign, because over this last highs right here is many liquidity, because people who are shorting the market right here will put their stop loss over their last highs. And if we are seeing a wick like this, and the body of the candle closes very bearish, then the chances high that we came to the upside, took some stop loss right here, and then the chances high that we can move into the opposite direction. And as you can see, we first saw this move to the downside, but we didn't broke the last lows to the downside. We also saw this wicks right here, and then we saw this bullish move to the upside. And as you can see on the 4-hourly chart, we broke this last high with a body close over here. And this last high caused the last low. And we made a higher high right now. So we are in a bullish order flow on the 4-hourlies again. And now it's really important that we're breaking this last high to the upside. Because if we are breaking this last high to the upside with a body close, then the chances high that we can see even higher prices. But as long as we don't break these levels, and if we see a bearish move to the downside, and if we're breaking this last lows right here, then I think the chances high that we see even lower prices for Quant. But I think the chances higher that we can continue to the upside, because we are in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and higher highs. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come to this level round here. And if we see a bullish reaction right here, then I would search for long entries right here and hodl it into the next highs. And if we're breaking this range high to the upside, then we are coming into this supply zone. And if we see a body close over this supply zone right here, then I think the chances high that we see an explosion for Quant and that we then move into this supply zone. And this supply zone caused this last bearish moves. So technically this supply zone is very strong and is very important. And then it will decide if we are breaking it to the upside and see even higher prices, or if we find some rejection and see lower prices again. But if anything interesting happens for Quant, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Quant. So all in all, we now saw this bullish explosion out of this demand zone. And we also saw this move over the last highs right here. But we just saw this body close right over this last highs. And we saw this wick right here, which took some liquidity over this highs. And now it's really important that we can continue the trade to the upside and that we are breaking this last high to the upside. And if we are breaking this, I think the chances high that we see even higher prices. And then we are coming into the supply zone and also have to break this one. But as long as we don't break this last lows to the downside, I think the chances high that we see even higher prices. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come into this demand zone. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would search for long entries and hodl it into the next highs. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.